nature is beautiful. Nurture it and take care of it. And it will take care of you. Listen to its sounds. It speaks to you.